Well, hello. It is Friday, January 24th, and they have been really busy. This has been a cool couple of weeks. So they finished what looks like all the brickwork and stonework on the outside. They did painting on the inside. They've done some tile work on the inside. So let's go take a peek at what this looks like. One of the things that we did change was we decided to add stonework to the front of the house. We saw a picture of a same home but in a different elevation, and it had stonework, and we said, wow, that really makes the house look amazing. So we went ahead and added that, and we were able to do that in time for Highland to do this for us. One of the things that Highland Home also does is their front porch, they add brickwork down at the bottom and makes it really stand out. This week they got the vanities installed with the countertops, and then the tile work was done around both bathtubs in the secondary bathroom. And now we have tile work done in the primary bathroom, and the pipe you see sticking up, there's going to be a freestanding tub. And this is going to be a glass window right here looking into the shower. And the tile work was done this week as well.